Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Plank Mill Sawmill. Today I'm going to be helping my friend Larry out doing some sawmilling at his place. I've been letting him use my sawmill while I was on my honeymoon. So this afternoon and hopefully tomorrow I'll be helping him out get his logs finished up so I can get the sawmill back to the sawmill shed and do a little bit of sawmilling of my own. So that's what we're doing today. So come along for the ride and watch us have fun at the sawmill. Alright, I'm here at my friend Larry's place now. So Larry is a friend of mine that I met through, originally he was a sawmill customer. I milled some maple stairs for him. Maybe 2 years later, he had me plane those same stair treads down with my Woodmaster planer. So while I was gone on my honeymoon, he was borrowing the sawmill. So now I want it back, so I came to help him finish his logs so I can get the sawmill back and get some stuff done before my parents' moving auction. So that's in about 2 weeks. So got some sharp blades here. So I got a brand new box of blades for him to use while he had the sawmill, but for some reason he was getting wavy cuts, and which looks like this is all red pine, which is notorious for wavy cuts. But so I brought 2 sharpened blades from home, so hopefully those will cut better. Alright, I'm getting ready to start sawmilling here. You can see there's the lumber Larry got cut already. He's got a bunch more logs there to go and slab pile. So got some big old sawhorses set up here that he's using for a log deck, so that's real nice. Not quite as nice as the one I have at the sawmill shed, but we're gonna make do with what we got. So there goes the first log on there. Alright guys, we are done for the day, or at least I am. Here's some of what we got done. Got a stack over there, and there we got some more. And we had fun making sawdust, so I'll be back in the morning, and we got lots more to do. So, alright guys, I am heading out, calling it a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video of doing some on-site milling with my friend Larry. I'm planning to be back in the morning to help him again. So, stay tuned for tomorrow's sawmilling video, and thanks for watching.